Yono back here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own add-ons for free on iPhone and Android. So let's just get into it. So the first thing to do is to install this app called Addons Factory. Once you have opened the app, you will be presented with this. As you can see, it says Nike skin pack because I have already created my skin pack, which is also going to be in the link in the descriptions. The skin pack about Nike Minecraft skins, which you will like, and they were trending all over the years by many millions of people on MCP and Java, and I'm sure you will like it. So click the link in the description to download the skin pack, and it's for girl skins and boy skins. Let's get back to the video. Press the plus icon. Now, you're going to see create add-on or create skin pack. Right now, we want to create an add-on for this case. So let's press create add-on. Now, you can add your image from your gallery right here. Select any image that you want. Now, you can type the add-on title. Me, I want a custom Enderman. So, Enderman. Now, description, Enderboy. Boom. Alright, now press add entity. Now it'll do this. Create new items, entities, or end items. Or create own sounds. Or armor, or paintings, or weapons, TNT, food, block, projectile. Now go mobs. Now let's search up Enderman, or Ender Dragon. Let's choose an Enderman. Now we could change his skin and do whatever we want. And there's a lot of skins that they recommend you, but you can do your own skin just by pressing import skin. But I want to choose one of their skins. So you could scroll through and you could see all these Enderman skins. Funny Blue, Ufox, Cyber Enderman. Let's choose the Cyber Enderman. Let's press add at the end. Now, as you can see, the skin. Now the movement basic. You can see all of this. Navigation walk. Let's do can path over water. He can't sink. He won't avoid sun. He can pass doors, open doors, and break doors. He does not avoid water or portals, and then he can float, random stroll, jumping. He's from the Enderman family. So now we are done with our add-on, right? So press add and then save. Now it'll say 5 coins, unlock once. So now just press the 5 coins and boom, now you have your Enderman. When you want to install, just press the install button and you can save it to your files or Minecraft. Now, let's say you want to make another add-on. Just press the coin on top. Now, press free coins. Now, this will bring you to an ad. Right now, I'm blurring the screen right now by an image because I might get a copyright strike, because it's not because it's an inappropriate ad. It's because I can get copyright strike and my channel can get terminated, or in this case, deleted. So I'm just not going to show this right now. But when you have finished your ad, press the X button on top that you see right now. Now, congratulations, you earned 5 coins. Okay. Now, as you can see, the 7. And now you can make any skin pack or add on anything you want. And this is all for free. You could add an entity, and you could also make like weapons and armor, and it's really cool. But thank you guys for watching. This was Yono back here with another video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Please make sure to like and subscribe before you go, because I take a lot on these videos. And the last thing, check my Nike skin pack in the link in the description. I'm sure you will like it. It was trending all over the world, and there's female and male skins, aka boy and girl skins. And I'm sure you will like it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.